class, dear learners and viewers. How are you? I think all of you are well off. For a long time, we are not with our class, but we are trying our best to complete your class through online system. Dear viewers, let us enter to the class. Teacher's identity. I am Ashraful Islam Asha, lecturer in English, Abu Bakar Vishwas Maqsid Ali College, Saprail Kaliganj, Zinaidah. Dear learners and viewers, subject identity, subject English, class 11 and 12 time. Though here is time is mentioned, but actually we have to take our class in short. For this reason, the length of time is not given here. Our today's class is about Nelson Mandela from apartheid fighter to president, unit 1, lesson 2, part 2, page 7 to 9. Dear learners and viewers, I have already taken a class on these chapters, but in one class this chapter was not completed. For this reason, I am trying to take another class, and the previous class was named part 1 and today's class is named part 2. The picture of Nelson Mandela. Learning outcome. Dear learners and viewers, in this chapter, in our previous class, I have already told you that, and you look that we had four learning outcomes, but we have completed only two learning outcomes, and that were some important word meanings and the general condition of South Africa during the period of Nelson Mandela, where Nelson Mandela was a leader, but he himself did not become the president of South Africa. The next two learning outcome are lifelong history of Nelson Mandela and special qualities of Nelson Mandela. Today we will find out or we will get some information about the two learning outcome. So how can we get the point and how can we make a solution of this problem? Let us enter to the next slide and we must get some information about this. Read page number 8 and find out the following points. The points are time of his imprisonment. His means Nelson Mandela become the president of South Africa, win Nobel Prize, special qualities of Nelson Mandela. If we go through page number 8, we can easily find these informations about Nelson Mandela. I request you to take part in our class and I request you to keep your book with you when you see the class and you have to go through the page. Then you will easily get the points. And now I am helping you by reading out some of the parts of the story about Nelson Mandela from your books, page number 8. In 1993, Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize, an honor he shared with F.W. de Klerk, the white African leader who had freed him from prison 3 years earlier and negotiated the end of apartheid. F.W. de Klerk is another white African leader who himself also wanted to close the apartheid. For this reason, he made a negotiation with Nelson Mandela and the then rulers, and he tried his best to make an end of this rule. And in 1993, Nelson Mandela awarded Nobel Peace Prize for his tremendous work to restore democracy in South Africa. But Nelson Mandela shared his honor with F.W. de Klerk. Some other points of Nelson Mandela. The years Mandela spent behind bars made him the world's most celebrated political prisoner and a leader of mythic stature for millions of black South Africans and the other oppressed people far beyond his country's border. Though Nelson Mandela himself was a leader of South Africa and a Negro leader, but he himself became the leader of the oppressed people of the world for his outstanding activities, and he restored democracy in South Africa. At the same time, he avoided the civil war. So Nelson Mandela, the leader, is not the leader of South Africa. He is the leader of the world and the oppressed people of the world. Search with capital opens in 1963 Revenue trial. His statement from the dock was his political testimony. When he was charged in 1963, he showed his political testimony standing on the deck. During my lifetime, I have dedicated myself to the struggle for the African people. I have fought against the white domination and I have fought against black domination. This is the so beautiful words of Nelson Mandela because he fought himself against white domination, also against black domination. That means he is the leader for all the people. So he is the leader of all people, including white and black. Dear viewers and learners, you can get another information here. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society. Democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is another beautiful words of Nelson Mandela. That means he cherished himself to restore democracy and he wanted to be a leader of a democratic country where all the peoples, including caste and creed, get the equal rights. So, my dear learners and students, you can get the information from the page, and our time is very limited. For this reason, we have to complete the class shortly. I think you have already got the points. Next slide, please. What will be the answer of this? Probable solution: lifelong history of Nelson Mandela. Today's learning outcome are two. Number A, lifelong history of Nelson Mandela. So, what should be the lifelong history of Nelson Mandela is mentioned here, but the lifelong history of Nelson Mandela is vast and tremendous. But only to make you learn or make you understand, I have given some points here. From 1963 to 1990, at least 27 years. At that time, he was in jail. Number two, the first Negro president of South Africa in 1994. That means he was the first Negro president of South Africa, a leader, a real leader of the world who restored himself as the president, who became himself as the president after coming from jails at least 27 years. Mandela was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1993 for his outstanding contribution for the world people to set up peace, to establish peace, and shared with white African leader F.W. de Klerk. He also showed his greatness by sharing his Peace Prize with F.W. de Klerk. Dear learners and viewers, this is a short description of his lifelong history, though his life is a tremendous and vast life. So, another solution of our learning outcome should be the second or number B, special qualities of Nelson Mandela. What qualities Nelson Mandela had? Icon of peace and reconciliation. He was an icon, he was an idol of peace and reconciliation of the world, of the people of apartheid. Charismatic and prestigious. He is a rare quality personalities and he shows his charisma in his activities and he obtained the prestige of the world. Courageous. He was 27 years he was in jail, but he was a courage leader. For this reason, he became the president of South Africa after the coming from the jail. He also avoid civil war to restore democracy, to restore the power of the general people. Prominent figure of pacifism in the world, we get only some people who tried their best to set up established peace. Nelson Mandela was one among them, democratic and non-discriminatory soul. He contained democratic and non-discriminatory soul because during his time, during his lifetime, nobody was treated depending on their caste, creed, and their skin color. And he was a person who is who can be mentioned as philanthropic. So the two learning outcome have already been done here, though it is not fully probable solution. If my dear students and learners, if you go through the pages, you can get more points about. So a evaluation for you from the passage: what should be the most important speech of Nelson Mandela in the history? Make you to realize that when we completed our first chapter, that means first lesson of Unit 1 about the historic speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, we also got such kind of questions. What should be or what would be the most important speeches of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman in the speech of 7th March? Like that, what should be the most important speech of Nelson Mandela here? Both of the leaders are world-class leaders. Both of the leaders fight against apartheid, fight against discriminatory treatment of the opposition, and both of them became the president of his of their countries. So, what should be the probable solution of this question? I hate race discrimination most intensely and in all its manifestations. I have fought it all during my life. I will fight it now and will do so until the end of my days. Another question here: what does the apartheid refers to in this title? Apartheid means discrimination. Next slide is your homework. What does the following years refers to, please? In 1963, 1993, 1994, and 2004. What had happened during these years? I request you to find out the point, go through the passage, and find out the happening of these years. Thank you very much, dear learners and students. No more today, and I request you to be safe yourself, and if you need to go out of your room, please use masks, and frequently you have to sanitize your hand with sanitizer. Thank you very much.